Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the unit safe. Disconnect the spark plug or remove the battery because accidental starts are dangerous. Next, put on gloves and eye protection. You want a steady, flat place to work. Once done, flip the trimmer to access the spool, remove the cover screws, or depress the tabs that hold the head on. This gives you clear access to the line and spool so you can see how the old line is wound and how the feed mechanism engages. You now remove any remaining line and inspect the spool for cracks or deformations. Replace the spool if damaged. Then measure the new line. Use the diameter specified in the manual and cut the correct length. Too long jams, too short won't feed. Next, anchor the line in the spool notch and wind following the arrows, keeping steady tension and even layers to prevent overlaps. Make sure to leave the ends through the eyelets before you reassemble. Reassemble by feeding the line ends through the head eyelets, then snap or screw the cover back on, making sure it seats fully and any debris is cleared. Reinstall the battery or reconnect the spark plug and test at low throttle. Watch for proper feed and balance. If the line doesn't advance or cuts out, make sure the line length and winding direction are correct. Check that the spool spring is seated and replace any worn parts. This fixes most feed problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.